Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 21st July 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 21st July in 2007, Pratibha Patil won the presidential election. She was sworn in as president on 25th July of the India. She was the first woman to hold the highest constitutional office until 2012, means she is the first woman president of India. So this is the history of the day. Now let us talk about the current affairs questions. So the first question is, which country has launched Hope Mission? किस देश ने आशा मिशन शुरू किया है, which is recently seen in news? So the answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates started this mission. It is a space mission to Mars. The UAE became the first West Asian and Arab nation to embark this mission, and this mission was launched from the Japan. Now moving towards second question. So who won the Hungarian Grand Prix Award 2020? किसने हंगरी ग्रैंड प्रिक्स पुरस्कार 2020 जीता है? सो द आंसर इज मर्सिडीज लेविस हैमिल्टन फ्रॉम द ब्रिटेन एंड ही वॉन दिस टाइटल फॉर द 8th time this year. Now let's see the third question. So when is World Chess Day has been celebrated? विश्व शतरंज दिवस कब मनाया गया है हाल ही में? And the answer is on the 20th July. It has been celebrated by the UN. First World Chess Day on 20th July all over the world to acknowledge the importance of chess in building harmony among other countries, breaking the racial, political and social barriers. Next question is, who inaugurated फर्स्ट ऑपरेशनलाइज मेगा फूड पार्क? सबसे पहला मेगा फूड पार्क का संचालन किसने किया है? एंड द आंसर इज हसमीरत कौर बादल, द यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, एंड द नेम ऑफ द फूड पार्क इज जोरम मेगा फूड पार्क. नाउ लेट्स सी द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. विच ड्रग हैज बीन गिवन restricted emergency use for moderate to severe COVID-19 patients? मध्यम से गंभीर COVID-19 रोगियों के लिए किस दवा को प्रतिबंधित आपातकालीन उपयोग की अनुमति दी गई है? And the answer is Italizumab has been given this and it is used to treat psoriasis disease. Next question is, in which national park the only golden tiger has been protected? किस राष्ट्रीय उद्यान में एकमात्र गोल्डन टाइगर संरक्षित किया गया है? एंड द आंसर इज इन द काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क ऑफ असम एंड द नेम ऑफ द गोल्डन टाइगर इज काजी 106F and it is known as the strawberry tiger. Now the last question is, which state became the first to use drone to inspect power line and transmission towers? पावर लाइन और ट्रांसमिशन टावरों का निरीक्षण करने के लिए ड्रोन का उपयोग करने वाला पहला राज्य कौन सा बन गया है? एंड द आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, FIFA World Cup 2022 are going to be held in which country? And the answer is Qatar at Al Bayt Stadium. Now the second question which I have asked was, in which state Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve is located? So the answer is in the Maharashtra state. Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve is located. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, which forests are known as the lungs of the world, which are recently seen in news? So do tell the answer. And the second question for you is, in which state Zoram Mega Food Park is located? The fact I have already told you, you have to tell that in which state it is located. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates.